Hey there, sexy lady. What's up, y'all? So, today my cousin, my sister, my favorite cousin, Ashley, she is actually coming over tonight. We are going to have crab legs and shrimp and potatoes and stuff. She's coming over to do that for my birthday. My birthday is Saturday, November 18th. And today is Thursday, the 15th. Wait, my birthday is Sunday, the 18th. Whatever. Ashley's coming over and we are gonna eat, talk crap, have a couple drinks, and have fun. See you there. What do you want?
I want tea for you.
Huh?
I want tea for you.
I'm coming downstairs now.
There you go.
I'm coming.
Come here.
Say hey.
Hey.
Alright, let's go. Turn around. Go.
Go ahead.
You go ahead.
Go ahead.
What your daddy doing?
They want the BDay on my head.
If that's the way that you want to look on my vlog, then okay.
Thank you all for taking care of me.
Patchwork.
You try to drink the drink. You can't take the band-aid back.
Okay, we're gonna leave these two. That looks good.
This is better. I don't want a blue can. Not at the counter. See the mango. I said, bring it. Can't drink that.
Good morning, everybody. So this morning we're headed off to Atlanta. We're actually to Alpharetta is where we're going. I was gonna go to the IMAX, but I was about to purchase my tickets too late, and they jacked the price up to $40. And just to walk around, no. I do want to see my boo Brianna Marie because she is up there. So hopefully we can link up and, you know, at least go to the mall or something. But if not, that's cool. I do have a lot of family up there, but most importantly, me and my husband finally got a weekend to ourselves. Excuse my lips, they are chapped. It is freezing out this door, and I'm quite ashy. But anywho, wish us well, safe travels. The next 3 hours will be him aggravating me, and then we'll be there. See y'all there. I sit on top. Alright, y'all, so on the way here, we're an hour out. Had to stop by the Tanger Outlet, Nike, for somebody.
Get out of my face.
No.
Get out my face.
I said no.
Get that camera out my face.
No. Zoom in.
Yeah, y'all, so we over here at Tanger Outlets. Brick over here with a $10 sweater on from Walmart. But, you know,
so rude.
we're going to make it look good for her. You know what I mean? We're going to go ahead and shop a little bit, you know. Ain't got no money. But I got stamps.
You gonna put it on my vlog? Yeah, too late. We made it, y'all. Finally got here.
Hey, world. How y'all doing?
My camera died, y'all, so I gotta record on my phone.
Look.
Cheesecake Factory for dinner. I'm over here looking at the highest price thing it is. Ooh.
Made it back to the hotel, y'all. Did you have a good time, honey?
Yeah. I enjoyed a little bit here.
Yeah. Whew. I'm tired. I want to do the spin door. I want the spin door. No. Thank you.
What you gonna tell the people, Bree?
Y'all, I'm ready to get in this room, take off these boots. If I can find my key. I'm tired.
Tired from what? All she did was eat.
Well, definitely.
I did all the driving.
So what you trying to say?
I should be tired.
Well, whatever.
I'm just saying. Oh, guys, we enter into the sanctuary.
You didn't even give a room tour. Well, it's junking house up.
Yes, she made it so junky. Oh, yeah, that's me. Hey, babe. Hey, how you doing?
Get out of my camera.
Oh, this is a pig. I need to clean up right here.
Y'all don't see that king size bed?
Ooh, what you doing there? Just sleep?
I mean, yeah. I finally can sleep.
Oh, so you trying to say without all of them you can sleep?
Exactly.
Shame on you. All right, guys, we got to go. Turn in for the night. Goodbye.
Bye.
Yeah, we made it back to the room. Don't be a hater, CJ. So we went to dinner at the Cheesecake Factory. And that's my favorite restaurant, y'all. But this time, it wasn't hitting on nothing, and I was highly disappointed. But I love the atmosphere, so I try my best to look past the food this time and just love the fact that I went to my favorite restaurant, but whatever. So then, went to Ulta, and I know online they have a better sale, so please look online for sales. But I did get this brush. This is the Expert Face for Foundation Brush by Real Techniques. This one in store was $8.99, but if you go online, you'll find the same brush. It's not this rose gold color, but the same brush online is $4.99. So I would suggest going online before going in store. And I also have my Cetaphil, and this is like to clear up my face and stuff after makeup, because makeup can irritate your skin, so get some of this. But we're just gonna end the night off, sit here, eat my cheesecake from the Cheesecake Factory, and we're gonna have a little drink, and that's it. Talk to y'all tomorrow. Bye.
It's my birthday, y'all, but this is what he want to do. Sit in the massage chair for 3 minutes at the mall. I guess I'll let him slide. He been walking around with me the whole time.
Hey y'all, it's my birthday. 28 I am. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. You do care about my birthday. Don't know what we're doing today, y'all, but hey, we're gonna do something. Y'all wanna see my view? Nothing much. Nothing much. We're on the 6th floor. But yep. So today my birthday. I'm going back home today. Go get my baby. I don't know what city over there doing. Let's go see.
Don't worry about it. I'm doing something. Don't worry about it.
Like a snack, don't it? Stand up, baby. Hurry up, put my camera down. Let me see what you look like. Snack daddy. Snack daddy.
Oh, stop it. Stop it. Stop it.
Okay, you sit down now. Okay. That's enough. I said sit down. Anyway, bye. So here's my little fit for today. Just a sweater, some jeans, put on my Uggs.
The usual. Oh, I'm showing y'all my makeup. Very simple. You see? Nothing much, just a wing and some highlighter. So yeah, I'll see y'all at the mall, I think.